Welcome back with our new recipe of stuffed peppers, a Mediterranean dish which is really nice and easy to make. I hope you enjoy it. We start by emptying the peppers, preparing them to be filled. For the filling, we start by mixing the rice with the saffron if available, and then for the cumin seeds, we wash them and rub them with the salt and add them to the rice. After that, we add the rest of the spices and mix. And then we add the meats and mix. We add the ghee. Then we add the water and keep mixing until it's well combined. Now we start by filling in the peppers, making sure to leave 2 centimeters from the top so when the rice cooks, it won't go out. To make the broth, we dissolve the ghee, add the tomato paste and fry it. Then we add 2 liters of water, mix, add the tamarind and mix. Let it boil for half an hour. We add another liter of water. We start by adding the peppers. Add the chopped tomatoes. Leave it to cook. Then add the garlic and dried mint. Leave it to boil. To serve the dish, drain out the broth. Our dish for today is ready. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.